For decades, only a car dealership could replace keys. Now there's new technologies only available from Car Keys Express, allowing retailers to re-enter this multi-billion-dollar industry. Recently, we partnered with a major big box retailer to demonstrate consumer demand for our unique low-cost key replacement solutions. What we learned surprised even us. On average, we sold 25 keys per day, and on the busiest days, over 60 keys. That's right, over 60 keys were sold in a single day. And that's not a single day record. It happened regularly. Needless to say, the pilot was a huge success. The retailer has since launched more locations, all of which experienced the same level of success. Can you think of the last time a service provided by a professional was replaced by a retail product? Bet you can't, because it doesn't happen often. It's a great example of how big the opportunity is with Car Keys Express's unique retail products. So check out our next video. It's called Bigger Than.